Well, India's central bank is widely expected to keep interest rates on hold tomorrow in an effort to support an economic recovery. But analysts say inflation is becoming a growing concern for India as Russia's invasion of Ukraine has driven up commodity prices globally. And they say investors will be looking for signals that the RBI has a strong strategy in place to tackle rising prices. Rebecca Bundan has more from Mumbai.
Inflation has already breached the Reserve Bank of India, or RBI's, upper threshold of 6%. And high crude oil prices globally following Russia's invasion of Ukraine have led to fuel price hikes in India in recent weeks, only adding to the upward pressure on inflation. With other commodity costs also increasing, rising prices are a worry for households and businesses. But economists widely expect interest rates to be left on hold on Friday when the RBI announces its decision, even though a rate hike could help tame inflation. This is because the central bank remains concerned about economic growth, as the country is recovering from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. At the same time, there are risks to growth due to the geopolitical situation, which has prompted some economists to lower their GDP growth forecasts for India. Analysts say it's unlikely that the RBI would want to take the risk of increasing borrowing costs right now.
But I think it will revise its projections on growth and on inflation and perhaps guide the market that rate hikes will start.
Countries, including the United States and United Kingdom, have already started raising interest rates amid high inflation levels, which is adding to the pressure on the RBI to give more weight to rising prices in its assessment.
So if you have to really plan and prepare for the future, you will have to take steps which are tough and which probably means, increasing rates, reducing liquidity and things like that.
The RBI is in a difficult position as it tries to balance inflation and growth in India. Its interest rate decision and comments on Friday will therefore be very closely watched to see how it's planning to handle this tough economic environment. Rebecca Bundan, CNA, Mumbai.